guys, welcome to YouTube channel where hedging peso matters. So for today's topic, we'll be discussing about a fundamental analysis. And of course, it's going to be a difficult task for us, especially for those people who doesn't have any background with respect to accounting. Like, for example, if you're a nurse, you don't have any background, especially with fundamental analysis, right? If you're in different kind of profession, of course, it's gonna be hard for us. But in this video, I'm gonna make it easy for us to understand how fundamental analysis works. Of course, this is in relation to what we see in the COLfinancial, the fundamental analysis tab there. In that COL platform, makikita rin po kasi natin doon yung mga what we call the income statements, the statement of accounts, right, the balance sheets. So doon i-discuss natin yan lahat. Alright, so but before anything else, ano bang difference ng fundamental analysis with technical analysis? Right, now sa fundamental analysis, ganito po. For example, meron kang pera that you would want to invest your money, 'di ba? Lagi natin narinig, put your money, invest your money. Alright? So, meron po tayong pera. Now, if we are to choose the kind of company or what kind of company we would want to invest or we would want to put our money in, ang gagamitin natin would be fundamental analysis. Now, on the other hand, once nakapili na tayo na isang company kung saan natin ilalagay ang ating pera, alright, pipiliin naman natin yung price kung magkano natin siya bibilhin. Alright? Now, pag napili na po natin yung price, we use, of course, the technical analysis. Kasi, in technical analysis, more of ano po siya, price action kasi ang technical analysis. But fundamental analysis will look into the health of the company, kung yung outlook niya, like for the next 5 to 15 or 20 years, hindi ba siya malulugi? Kaya niya bang isupport yung sarili niya in order to proceed? Alright? No. So, yun pong difference ng fundamental analysis sa technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, gagamitan natin siya ng yung mga balance sheets ng companies, right? Mga financial statements for us to know, again, the health condition of the said company. Now, kung magkano naman natin siya bibilhin, technical analysis naman ang gagamitin po natin. Now, before we proceed, I'd like to read this quote by Warren Buffett. So, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Alright, so para ma-inspire tayo. Now, ano bang contents or what are the contents of this fundamental analysis made easy? Right, now we have this terminologies, the earnings summary, the balance sheet account, the price to earnings, the EPS or earnings per share. So, lahat yan will be try to cover everything in this video. But, first, punta muna po tayo sa ating COLfinancial. Okay? So, turo ko muna sa inyo, paano ba natin makikita itong mga earnings summary, balance sheet account, the price to earnings. Right? So, here we go. Pag login po natin dito sa ating COLfinancial, makakita po tayo dito ng tabs, right? So, keep on saying this. We have the tabs, quotes, trades, research. But, for now, we won't be going to fundamentals, research fundamentals. So, we'll look into quotes. Click quotes. Now, for instance, I'll be choosing DNL. Alright? So, quote natin siya. Now, makikita niyo po dito, meron tayong stock, buyer, sellers, trade prices, profile, dividends, news, valuations, highlights, and research. Now, eto, usually ginagamit natin to. We all know for a fact we use this whenever a technical analysis comes into play. But if fundamental analysis naman since fundamental analysis naman ang pag-uusapan natin, dito po tayo magtitingin. Alright, now, click po natin itong highlights. Alright, dito sa highlights, makikita po natin yung earnings summary kasi ng isang company. So, my net is a bit slow. Right, so antayin lang natin. Yan, dyan po natin makikita. So, balik muna tayo dun sa slide habang naantay natin yung ating paglo-load. Right, now, some of the terminologies na ma-encounter natin later would be the trade receivables. So, trade receivables are amounts billed by a business to its customer when it delivers goods or services to them in the ordinary course of business. These billings are typically documented on formal invoices, which are summarized in an accounts receivable aging report. Right? Okay. Explain ko muna tong trade receivables. Trade receivables, parang ganito po yan. So, trade receivables are all claims against other entities which are usually settled in cash. Okay. Now, ganito po ang trade receivables. For example, ako si company ABC. Alright? Gumagawa ako ng, for example, stuffed toy. Now, magbibigay ako ng there are different kinds of setups kasi. So, manufacture ako ng stuffed toy. So, babagsak ko yan sa different malls. Now, minsan, hindi agad yan binabayaran ng buo. Kunyari, binagsak ko siya sa different malls. Now, yung pinagbagsakan ko dun sa mga malls na yun, hindi nila binibigay yun ng buo. So, ini-invoice natin yun. Sinusulat natin kung magkano yung value ng stuffed toy na binigay natin dun sa isang mall. And yun, yung invoice na yun, it serves as an evidence na meron silang utang sa atin. Alright? So, yun po ang trade receivables. Now, ano naman significance ito? So, balik tayo dito. Alright. So, here, ang napili po natin is ang DNL Industries. Now, gusto ko munang ituro sa inyo itong earnings summary. Right? Bago tayo punta dito sa trade receivables. Right? Now, dito po sa ating earnings summary, makikita po natin yung year 2016, 15, 14, 13, 12. Now, ito dapat increasing ito. Right? So, for us to determine, one of the things na para ma-determine natin kung okay ba ang health ng company is for us to look at this net income. Alright? Dapat ito increasing. So, kung noong 2012, nag-start siya ng 1 billion, dapat yan tumaas. And as you can see now, nasa 2.6 billion na siya. So, maganda yung company profile niya kasi, well, pataas, increasing. Sabihin, kumikita tong industry na ito. Now, balik naman tayo dito sa trade receivables. Diba sabi natin, receivables arising from normal operating activities. So here sa balance sheets account, right, makikita po natin dito yung trade receivables and cash. Alright, now, dapat itong cash laging mas malaki sa trade receivables. Always remember. Kasi diba itong trade receivables, it is in an invoice form. So what if there are instances na hindi mabayaran itong nandun, so yung amount that is stated in the invoice. So there could be a possibility na ma-prejudice yung company or corporation. So dapat talaga itong cash would be mas malaki sa trade receivables. Yun yung una nating titignan. Alright? So this would cover the part 1 of our fundamental analysis.